Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade with your broker before you put in your trades. With that, we move on to our live analysis. Okay, the main market, the main market will be opening in about another 30 minutes time. Okay, and we are getting from the US prelim UM consumer sentiment and prelim UOM inflation expectations. Okay, and this is forecast is slightly lower than the previous data. Okay, so with that, I think we don't have any. Oh yeah, we have a trade. Okay. Okay, we have a sell at dollar cat. Okay, which is filled, and right now this is making I think about 20 pips. Okay, let it work. Then later we will see how we can manage this trade. Okay. Then as far as gold is concerned, okay, today market briefly breached 3005. Okay, then it had a correction almost about 17 15 to $17. Then we I think other than that only the dollar yen I think it went to a high of 49, and we are planning to sell at 49.20. Okay, I think that is also I think came off a bit. Okay, let's see the market. uh, okay. Okay. As of now, we are seeing strength on the Aussie dollar, Canadian dollar some weakness, and New Zealand dollars some strength, and Euro dollar some strength. Okay, so these are the trades which we can use. Then the gold right now it hit a high of 3005, and right now this is trading around 2993 half. Okay, and we have this is trading within the range 2981 and 3005, and on the daily this is still pointing up, which means to say as long as this is above 2989 half, okay, price is expected to push higher 2989 half. Okay, we is expected to push higher. So since we are let's I think let's go straight to the goal first. Then we will see how we can we look at the others first. Okay, as of the gold, I think right now this is flat on the current time belt, and the current time belt, even the 1 hour, this is saying that 2987 half and 3005. Sorry. Okay, so now we can play the game between 2987 and 29 sorry 3005. Okay, let's see what is the dashboard and the chart. Then finally I think we can go into the trade. Okay, right now the market open at 2933 half. Okay, right now is 2993, and the low is current time belt is 2993. Okay, near the low. Okay, let's see the chart. Then I think we should be playing the game near 2987. Remember, 2987 is where we should be looking to put a stop. Okay, let's see Okay, right now, since the hourly, okay, since the hourly, this is within the range between 2987 and 2994 as of now, okay. And it's breaking the previous low, okay. But if you look into 2 hours, I think 2 hours is also giving us a similar picture. Okay, market got rejected at 299 half, and right now this is in a range. Okay, so this is between the range. So what we can do is, since the hourly and 2 hours are pointing down, okay, we should be seeing the price moving lower, and this shouldn't be the price going below 87. If it goes below 87, then this price is due, I mean, this is going into a correction mode, and we should see the price moving lower. So what we can do, we can go for a buy at 2991 half, okay, and wait for this 2995 to break. If it breaks, then we can see to uh, 3001 half. Okay, let's go for a buy. Okay, this is I think this is a limited risk, so we are going to go for a buy at 2991, 2991. Stop at 86 half. TP 3001. Okay, there's a $10 move which we are looking for, and this expiry will put it until 2200 hours. Okay, let me key in this order as well. Okay, buying at 2991, 91 91. I think we should see at least 92, because the weakness is expected for another 6 more minutes. Okay, so either you can buy at 92 or 91 half if you feel you don't want to miss the trade. Sorry. Looks like this is not showing the weakness we are expecting. Okay, so we will just wait to see whether the 92 would get 91, 91 half or 92 to get filled. So we are seeing the thing is trading in a range. We still have one more minute. Then maybe after the next 15 minutes, we will see how does the price flow moves. So we'll wait for another couple of more minutes. So this 1 minute, if if we are right, we should see the price getting turned most likely before 90. Okay, maybe it's 91, 92. Then after that, we should see the price moving higher. Okay, but if we are right, but if we are wrong, then once it breaks 88, 89, this is a warning that this market is going to go lower, and breaks 87, this is a confirmation that that 3005 is going to be the high. Okay, okay, the time is finished. Let's see uh, whether the market is going to turn from here, or order is going to get filled. Okay, looks like the market is turning. Okay, let me double check. Let me double check. Okay, if you are aggressive traders, then you may want to buy at 93. Okay, so this is I'm not giving the signal, but you may want to enter at 93, and the stop we can put it as 80, 89. Okay, so that is about $4 price, because right now this looks like 50-50. Okay, 50-50 market may turn from here, or it can drop. So it's a 50-50 chance. So let's see how this comes about. Okay, most likely we may see the price moving up from here, or we should see the price coming down again. Okay, but let's see, because if you're an aggressive trader, you may want to go for a buy. Okay, this is up to you to decide what you want to do. Okay, I think it's moving up. Okay, this is already started moving up. Do you manage to take the trade? Okay, so we are still trying to wait to see whether this market has seen the correction is already over. See, now it's 50-50, because what has happened is, okay, early on the session we were projecting the price to go high, which I think our target was 3005. So now the market has come down, and right now this level is being a resistance. So there is a most likely chance that this might be a temporary high, but this is yet to confirm. Okay, this is yet to confirm. Okay, or this is just a pullback, and we may see the price testing again the high, and we may see the price breaking high. So either way is possible. Okay, either one is possible. So the only clue we are having now is we should not see the price breaking the 91 or 87. So these are the two key levels for us to pay attention. So if these two levels are holding, then there is a very high likely chance that the price may push higher. But if these two uh, level, if either one breaks, that means the first one is a warning, then second one is a confirmation, then there is a very likely chance that a low is confirmed. Sorry, a high is confirmed. Okay. Sorry, did anyone manage to enter the trade? Okay, I entered at 93. Okay, because sometimes $1 2 we have to uh, fight to see whether, because otherwise, we won't be able to trade as a full-time trader. So every time, we try to enter, then miss, then miss, then we will not be able to trade for a living. So sometimes $1 2 we have to take the risk to see whether this is viable. Okay, let me double check. Okay, now is showing this okay, you entered at 94. Okay, so if you entered at 94, then I suggest you put your stop at 89. Okay, 89. Then we will see whether the market turns up from here or If it goes lower, then we will try to see what can be done. Okay. So let me try to go for. Okay, I'm trying to enter one more trade. Just okay, 94. So I think market already started moving. We sorry, this is the thing. We wanted to buy at 91. 91. We missed it. So now the market has already started moving. So we got to see either we can raise the entry to 93. Uh, if not, then we have to forget about this trade. Okay, let's try one more attempt. Okay, one more attempt. Okay, I want to raise it to 93. Stop 89 half or 89. Okay, then the TP is 3000. Okay, so while we are waiting for that, I think we may want to discuss on Nasdaq, which has got 3 more minutes for the market to come. Okay, so let's discuss Nasdaq. Let's the gold, let it work. Okay, the Nasdaq wise, this is showing strength on the daily. Okay, this is showing strength on the daily, but this is still within the range. Then on the 2 hours, okay, on the 2 hours, this is showing a weakness. Okay, but I think this should be limited to 19460 or extension towards 19430. Okay, so if we look 430 or 420, yeah, So now if we look into this 15 minute, so this is going to get finished, and we should see the price bottoming somewhere before 460. I think this is already seen the low 460 or 450. Okay, so now finally we come into our 1 minute. So if it's 1 minute, I think we should see the price stabilizing somewhere below this. So what we can do, we can go for a buy at 450 and stop at 395. Okay, 395. And TP, we should see the price expecting to break higher. Okay, so this is the next trade. We want to go for a Nasdaq. One nine four five zero, 390, and maybe 570 or 630. Okay, we'll put it at 630, then later we will do the adjustment. Okay, this is we will give market opened. Okay, market open, already have a spike up. Okay, you see here we are seeing a spike up. Okay, I think just missed by just missed by 0.5 pips. Okay, we just missed by 0.5 pips, and looks like it's a very sometimes this is what happens. So market is shooting up. What a waste, huh? Just the low was 19450.75. Okay, I think this is absolutely, this is devastating, because we just missed by 0.75. So I can't do anything on this. Okay, let's see what is the gold doing now. Okay, this is a real miss, huh? Sometimes very heart pain. Okay, the gold I think is coming off. Okay, it's already coming off. Okay, looks like I think we are in the wrong side of the market. Okay, so let's we have to change plan. Okay, we have to change plan, and let's see what happens. Okay, I think most likely we get stopped out, so I think we have to change our plan. Okay, looks like the high may have been seen. Okay, let's see whether the Okay, we'll just wait for a while, because if we get okay, let's wait and see, yeah. Okay, Nasdaq is moving up. Okay, hold on. The gold. Okay, we have to see whether this low breaks. If it breaks, then confirm that the high is seen. Otherwise, we just have to. Uh, then we have to change our plan. So let's wait for a while. Okay, the Nasdaq is already shooting up. This is as I expected. This is already like shooting up. Okay, so I think we are very unfortunate. Okay, this is nearing the price target. Just give me a minute. Okay, I think the correction, I think the high is already seen. So now I think we have to change our plan for gold. Okay, we have to go for a um, sell, okay, instead of buying. So I think we got stopped out. So now is already 85. So it already broke the low. So let's change our plan to see for a go for a sell. So where we can go for a sell is the same thing. Okay, try to sell at 89. Okay, 89. That should be our sell, or we go for a buy at 80. Okay, so this is either one is possible. So what we will do is, instead of we selling at 89, maybe we'll try to sell at 94, slightly higher. Okay, don't get ourselves emotional and get ourselves caught on this. So just give me 1 minute. Okay, because I got to do my trades as well. Just give me a minute. Okay, give me a minute, give me a minute. So we go for a sell, we go for a sell. Okay, let me just double confirm this. Okay, let me see. Okay, so we can have like two trades. One is trying to buy at 80, then another one is trying to sell at 94. Okay, since we have already got stopped out, so we are going to this. Nasdaq is a real waste, because this is, we should have made a good money on this. We missed it. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to put two trades. One is try to sell at 94, 2994, stop above the current high, which is 95.80. So we put it as 97 or 96. Yeah. So then this TP will go for 80. What was your current low? 85. Okay, 85. Okay. Sorry. Sorry, I repeat again. Sorry. So we are trying to go for a sell again. This is to see if we are right. I mean, because looks like the market has seen the top, but this is again is 50-50, because anything can happen, especially this kind of situation when the price is high. And of course, what we are going to do is we are going to do two kind of trade. One is we'll try to go for a buy at 81, then try to exit at 88, 87, 88. So this would be one trade. Another one is 94 selling and try to exit at 82. Okay, so this is two trades which we are going to go for, and we go for either direction, because the reason is because right now this is in a range, and we should be seeing the market to be, sorry, 2981. Okay, this is until 2300 hours. So we have two trades. One is we are trying to go for a limit buy at 2981, exit at 88 half. Another one is we are trying to go for a sell at 2994, exit at 82. For this, the low, current low has to break, which is 85. Okay, 85. So we put in this trade, and let me share the chart. Then let me also put in the trade to see how can we recover this losses. So if you see the price is rejecting at the low, so which means to say more weakness is expected. Okay, more weakness is expected. So again, I'll let you decide to see whether instead of 94 you may want to sell at 92. Hello. So this is right now. So it's either you can sell at 92 or 94. Okay, and the stop above has to be 96. So we are seeing this either, you see the possibility, I'm just telling you, because right now this is showing lower high, lower low, and here there is a failure. Okay, so this is a failure. So looks like if this is a failure, then this high might break. Okay, this if this is a failure, so either one can happen. So now what we can do is market looks a bit jittery, because it's not giving us a clear direction as where it's to be headed, because overall is we were seeing price to push to the highs, but market has made a high and market starting to turn down. So there is a possibility that correction may have started or there is a possibility that the high is yet to be seen, because today is a bit tricky because last trading day of the week and it's a bit tricky. So what I can tell you is, for those people who have just joined in, what I can tell you is, because early on we tried to go for a buy at 90, 91, then we changed it to 93 because we felt that the price was going higher, so we got tricked here. So since this is a failure, so now we are trying to go for a sell while below 94. Okay, we go for a sell below 94. If goes above 94, then the price is back to its trading range again. So how you should be trading here is, okay, I just warning you, if you are very conservative trader, then maybe you may want to sit sideline and just watch, or you only trade at the levels with the least risk. So which means to say you try to sell at 94, stop at 97, 97 7.5, which is only about $3 risk, and the TP we can go for 82, which is about $15 move if we expect the price to move lower. But on the other hand, okay, this can be a failure as well. That means this is just tricking us that market has made a high and this, so anything can happen. Okay, so what I can suggest to you is just trade on the levels. That means don't go for a trade, don't go for a chasing. So if you see 90, 94, you take. Otherwise, we'll just wait. The same thing if you see 80, 82, 81, I think we are trying to buy at 81. So if these two levels we trade, otherwise we don't do anything else, because market looks a bit uh, jittery and not giving us any clear signal. Okay, so it can move on either direction, because the way it looks like, you see right now, if you look at the candle, okay, the chart, okay, this looks like a doji candle, which looks like a top may be seen. Okay, if this top is seen, then we should see this low break and this low break, then we can be pretty sure that this is the top and the correction has already started. But as of now, it can be either direction. That means it can we can take it as the top is seen, or if this low holds, then we may see the price testing again this, and we may see the price pushing towards 3015 or higher. Remember early on at my session, I was trying to tell you the levels. Remember that 3033, 3050, 3080. These are the actual top to be seen. So if we see that level, then confirm we can say that okay, we can go for a sell. But unfortunately, what happens is, if before it happens, then there is a chance of 50-50, and we got to go with the flow. Then Nasdaq, okay, this is a very unforeseen, okay, because we wanted to buy at 50, okay, 19450, and the low was 19450.75. Okay, so we missed by 75 pips. So this is what I meant to say. This is very unforeseen and very unfortunate. Sometimes this happens, and in fact, yes, the previous session I did say that you need to have this percentage of luck, which I think we don't have for today. So it's very you see, this is a really, I target was 630, you know, so I think that it reached a high of 620, and the low we missed. Just imagine, you know, this is a 170 pips move which we were expecting, and we didn't get it. We just missed by a fraction. Okay, let's see the gold again. So anyone managed to sell at 92? Because even I think I put 92 also cannot get. This is a sheer waste, huh? Okay, I think today is really very unlucky, you know. Okay, now this is where we said the sentiment change, you know. So if you want to go at 90, you may do so, but again, this risk you got to be very careful, because if you put at 90, your stop no change, your stop has to be 96 half. So anything you put in before is a risk, and I think my screen not updating. It is breaking lower. It's already 87. So if it's okay, what a day, huh? We missed two big moves. Okay, gold as usual not updating. So looks like today is one of the bad days. I mean, in fact, this was a real waste. The Nasdaq, I think 180 pips move, which we should have gotten. We missed it. Then this, I told to sell at 92, even though we gave a signal at 94. I told to give a signal at 92. I think that was also missed. So I think I don't have anything to say. That means I got to really concentrate on my trading now. Okay. So now what I can suggest is, I mean, for those gold traders, I'll just give you my view. But unfortunately, I don't see the price moving either. Okay. Okay. So what I can tell you, okay, I'll just roughly tell you. Okay. So if if the market breaks, if this is going to be the major high, then we should see the price testing 81, and we should see the price break, and we should see the price heading towards 72. Okay, so this is if the market were to see the high. So pay for, we have given a signal at 81. Okay, try to be very careful on that to see whether the price bounces from here. If it bounces, then this market is still, the uptrend is still intact, and we should see the price testing the high one more round. But as of now, as long as below 94, 2994, we expect the price to push lower towards 82. Okay, 80, 80 half to 82. Right now is about 85. Okay, so I think you just try to play the game and see how it works. So there's two, we have two suggestions today. possibility high may be seen, or uh, possibility this is just a deeper correction. If this is a deeper correction, we should not see the price going below 72. But any chance if it goes below 72, then for sure this is a major top. Then from next week onwards, we should be going for a sell, you know. So as of now, okay, you managed to get BAT buy Nasdaq. Okay, okay. So if you have managed to buy, okay, I suggest you lock in your profit. Okay, so if it's okay, so some of you, that's the thing, you know, some of you when you come on live trades, sometimes we give the tips. Okay, this is, we are giving for generic. So this is your decision to decide when to go for a buy, when to sell, and this and all. We can just, the only thing is our levels are reliable and our views are a bit reliable. But sometimes it's just like, you know, when you drive, sometimes, you know, you go, there is an accident, you know, the market, you know, they, as a result, you know, they'll tell you to take a diversion, and you may need to change course, and this is what happens sometimes. So we can't help it. So you just have to play the game by the rules and just stick to the decision. Yeah. Okay. So thank you very much, and I'll see you again next week. Have a great weekend. Till then, goodbye.